to 10-inch stitch, where we are going to learn the basic crochet stitches in a slow tutorial. Today we will do the slip knot and the chain. The reason I made this video is because I get confused reading crochet patterns and diagrams. But now, because I can watch how it's done, it has become my favorite. It's become super easy for me when I started relearning how to do the stitches. So, hopefully, the videos I will be making will be helpful to people like me. So the slip knot is where all your crochet project begins. It is a loop secured by a knot in the end and prevents your stitches from frogging. The chain stitch is a base for all basic stitches for beginners. Now let's start. So now we are going to learn how to do the slip knot. I'm going to teach you two ways. The first one is how to do the slip knot with just your fingers without the hook. So first we're going to make a ring. So we're going to do that, just a circle, a ring like that. So the longer side of the yarn over the shorter side of the yarn, so there. And then we're going to insert your finger through the ring and catch this yarn and pull it through. So there. I'm gonna get your hook, put it right there, and then we pull. So there is your slip knot. So I'm gonna do it again just to show you. So we're gonna make a ring with a longer side over the shorter side, and then we are going to catch the yarn, this one, and then we pull. Then we get the hook, put it right there, and then we pull. And then another way to do that is to make a ring. Okay. Make a ring like that. Secure it like that. Get your hook, insert it through the ring, and remember your hook needs to be facing down when you are yarning over and pulling through. Okay, so we're going to yarn over, pull through, and then we pull. So there is your slip knot. I'm gonna do it again. So the longer side over the shorter side of the yarn. Secure it like that. Get your hook, insert, yarn over, pull through, and then pull. Right there is your slip knot. So now we're going to move forward and learn how to do your chain stitch. So we're going to yarn over, pull through. There is your first chain, shaped like a V, if you can see there. You know it's a chain because it is like a V. So we're going to make 10 of those. So we're going to yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through. So when you are starting to learn how to make your chain remember to have your thumb and your middle finger right here. Not to pull it, you don't pull it, because the tension should be here, right here. So you need to practice. It's right here, because if it's too loose, then your chain is going to get twisted and it's not gonna look good when it's too loose. And when it's too tight, you're gonna have a hard time making your stitches. So you don't pull right here, but you put your thumb and your middle finger here to support that, and you don't pull. So now we have chain 3, so we need 7 more. So we're going to yarn over and pull through. See how your hook moves. When you yarn over, it needs to be facing down. When you pull through, it needs to be facing down, and then you pull up. Okay, now we have 5, and then yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. I need 2 more. Yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through. So now we have a chain. See there? So that's the front, and the back looks like this. And you'll know it's the front because you'll see your little V's right there. So there. So that is how you make your slip knot and your chain.